child. Now, let's hear from the Biden administration's Dr. Rachel Levine. And I think this is possibly this year's #1 nomination for the biggest example of gaslighting ever. Have a look.
I have considered it an honor to be a doctor. I believe in our role as healers. I believe in our role as truth tellers. And the truth that we need to confront now is that medicine and science are being politically perverted around this country that destroys human lives. And we have reached a tipping point for the role in medicine and civic life for the health and well-being of LGBTQI+ youth and other Americans. Those who attack our community are driven by an agenda of politics.
Yeah, forget about 2023. That's gaslighting, all-time, top 10. Incredible. Yes, the medical fraternity is being hijacked, but by the trans activists, not by those saying, wait a second, maybe we shouldn't be doing irreversible treatments to teenagers. Maybe we should wait until they're adults who can actually submit to these decisions. Incredible. And what I really find upsetting about that is, in a recent interview, Rachel talked about how grateful they were that they didn't transition earlier, because then they wouldn't have had their children, and their children are so precious to them. So why would you advocate for policies that see these confused young kids undergo treatments that do often leave them sterile?
It's a very sad state of affairs, Rita, and that's right. If they undergo these treatments at a young age, they may live to regret it later when they're older. So it raises a lot of issues, and we've heard many stories of children who have undergone these transitions and then later regret it in life and want to revert back to what they originally were.